Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting all target images into a single folder so searches act on one set. Once done, open your chosen tool, a file manager for file name queries or an app that reads metadata and visuals. Make sure to pick a method now: text-based, file names, EXIF, hash-based, exact duplicates, or visual similarity, near duplicates. I'll show why each matters and how to start. Choose the quickest option for your goal and run the first simple query to confirm files are accessible. Now you perform the core work. If names matter, use wildcards like asterisk, JPG or photo 202 asterisk and combine operators, and or not to narrow results. For metadata, query camera model, date ranges, or GPS tags. This finds photos from a specific device or trip. For duplicates, compute hashes MD5, SHA-1 to catch exact matches. For near duplicates, run a perceptual hash or similarity model to group visually similar frames. Then review a small batch to verify accuracy before broader application. To finish, organize results by moving matches to a new folder or applying tags so you can act on them later. Once done, automate recurring searches by saving queries, creating a small script, or scheduling a job to run periodically. Make sure to validate a sample to avoid false positives. If something goes wrong, check 3 common causes: folder permissions, unsupported file formats, or corrupted cache/tools. Fix by adjusting permissions, converting files, or reinstalling the utility. That troubleshooting step solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.